Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a snack using raw banana. For that I have taken one small to medium sized raw banana. Peel it lightly. Here I slice the raw banana in circular shape. Slice it slightly thick. Immediately, I drop all the slices into the cold water. Immerse cold water. Prevent slice become darken. And then I am here going to prepare batter. For that, in a mixing bowl, add 3 spoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of red chilli powder, a quarter spoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I am going to add 1 or 2 pinch of baking soda. Add a few ajwain. Here a few means less than a quarter teaspoon, and then I am going to add salt as per taste. Add green chilli, finely chopped 2 green chillies. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander, green coriander. Finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon. And finally add 2 or 3 tablespoons of curd. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients. Mix well all the ingredients for batter. Mix with water. Don't add water at once. Add water little by little and mix it. Mix continuously. Mix very well until prepare a smooth batter. Batter is ready. You can see thick and lump-free batter. You can see perfect consistency of the batter. It is perfect. How nice it is. Here I am going to drop all the slices into the batter and coat them well. Dip all the banana slice in the batter. Here you can see batter coated slice. Coat banana slice completely with batter. Here I am adding oil to frying pan. Once oil heat, drop banana slice into the hot oil. Drop batter coated banana slice into the hot oil. Here you can see dropping banana slice into the hot oil. Slowly drop into hot oil. Do this carefully because oil is too hot. Here I am dropping one by one slice into the hot oil. Deep fry them. Turn it over couple of times. Please friends, subscribe my channel and leave your comments in comment section. Stir occasionally. Maintain medium flame throughout the process. You can see slice become crisp and golden. It's done. Now remove slice from the oil. Transfer to a plate. A nice tea time snack is ready. Serve with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.